Guys, how are you? Alright, how are you guys?
Soldado en la oscuridad, ruidos en la selva, perdida en el mapa de mi humanidad, da un paso de peligro a la casualidad. Es soterra. La noche es mi habitación, la cama de hierba, resto de mi cuerpo la condenación, gravita en el puño de pobre noción, con mi tierra.
That was Cultura Profética, a little bit of reggae before we kick off this session. Yeah, hi, how are you, Michelle? Godspeed Freeman, I know you like that kind of music. Hello, my Greek friend. Yeah, I'm doing fine, thank you. Nice music. 1% from passing my evaluation. Amazing, guys. Davante, amazing. Why did we not get alert on Gold Long? Yes, it was sent yesterday, mate. It's not my fault if you don't take, if you don't make, if you don't keep track of my, of my signals. Where is it? Alright guys, let's have a look at what we have here. I am still running with a little bit of my Gold Long. Spain in the house, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo tranquilo? Athens, I knew you were Greek, my Greek friend. How are you? Well, thank you for the for being here. Right, live from the tropics. All right, let's check the economic calendar. I haven't done that. Forex Factory, we have what? Jolt's job openings. Yeah, we don't have anything that's going to keep me from trading today. Now, it's in 1 hour. So 30 minutes after the open, we get Joel's job openings and factory orders month over month. Um, yep. Oof, gold just spiked up. India and Algeria in the fucking house. Fiji in the house. That's awesome. First time Fiji. Any prop firm challenge in the coming days? No. I mean, I have an ongoing challenge, if you know, right? I'm trading this live 50K account. Yesterday, I lost between the VAP trades and swing trades. I lost about 1.3%. So, I mean, I was up about $1,000 on this 50K account. Came back to minus 800, which is fine. I mean, it's not a big drawdown. But yeah, the challenge is ongoing in the sense that when I hit 10% on this account, I will redraw $1,000 to buy the next, challenge, which is the 100K challenge. I don't have any, time frame for it, but I'll keep you guys posted. Hello, from Italy in the house. What do you think about gold? Well, I'm already long gold and already took profit. I'm home, yes. NFP this week. Turkey in the fucking house. Hey, what's up? Bolivia está en la puta casa. ¿Cómo estás, papi? All right, so gold. I'm already long. My entry was here. Sniper entry. I took profits. I took 80% off of my trade at the top, right? Looking for re-entries around this level right here. So basically what I'm looking at is gold crashing again. Long position right here around these levels. I'm going to place, of course, this order. My stop losses are going to be below this low, right? If gold breaks with the lows, then I'm not interested anymore. Belgium in the house. I'm from El Salvador. Bitcoin country, my friend. Germany in the fucking house. All right. Next time we're going to introduce the show tomorrow with some techno instead of some reggae because of the German dude that just came into my show. So, hey, yeah, something like this, an 11R I'm looking at. Actually, because this is such a great R, I am going to go all the way down here. No, fuck it. I'm going to go here with a very, Ghana in the house, y España en la puta casa. By any chance, do you know Sri Lanka? I have never been in Sri Lanka, but yeah, I know about the country of Sri Lanka, my friend. Hey, Timba. Why don't we place this fucking gold long? I'm gonna take my MT5 here, and I'm gonna go to the 1 minute chart. So here, about here, 18. So I'm going long at the 1891.90, right? Let's have a look. Pending order, buy limit 1890 what? I don't remember what I said. I'm actually going full 1981.80. I'm sorry, I'm dyslexic, guys. 1891.80. Heavy dyslexic. And my stop loss below the structured low, as always, 1878.25. 25. And yes, I'm sending this to the VIP group, so stop fucking with me about that. I know what I'm doing. Targeting 2000. All right, placing. Oh boy, where the hell is my trade? Oh, I told you I was that dyslexic. Damn it. 1981, and it's 1990. 1978, modified. There you go. Oh, 1978. Yeah, I dig it. 1978, and I am going to elevate my risk a little bit more. Pending order about 33 plays. Right. So, risking exactly 0.25% and sending this to my VIPs right now. Buy limit. So this is a what? I don't know. 250. That's a 4.5 R or so. All right. So buy limit here. I'll be right with you. Stop loss here. No, here. TP here. For a 4.5R, I said, I think. And my risk is 0.25% as always. Right, boomba. I think I'll send it for free. Yeah, I'll send it for free. It's been a while since I've sent free VIP signal. Since I've sent some free shit to the VIP group. Bold. Italic. Right. I'm still holding my pound yen longs from yesterday, guys. Yep. I added some at some point, I don't remember. But yeah, I'm still holding that. Full risk also. Oh, this has to be, I'm sorry. This has to be here. I don't know why I moved it. Yeah, full risk. This is a long-term trade. Kind of a long-term trade. Oh, there you go. So any questions about that? Nigeria in the fucking house. And Malaysia in the house. Dude, advanced life. I know. I mean, come on, man. Thank you. Thank you for pointing that out. I appreciate it. Hi, Bogdan. I closed it. It's fine. I should have closed half of my position at the highs, but I was asleep. So yeah. I'm currently opening an ACAP account. Would you recommend a raw or standard? I don't know. That's fine, Ailey. I should have closed some myself. Alright, so let's see if we can get fucking triggered on that gold long. If not, that's fine. I am looking for something else too. I have decided that I'm not gonna trade silver anymore. Yeah, remove drawings. Only if the setup is super good. I mean, the spreads in silver are so wide that I get stopped out or don't get triggered. So fuck this market. I'm focusing on gold. Also adding, some metals that you're going to see if you are VIP. All right, so I'm looking for some shorts on the Nasdaq at the open, or some S&P. No, that's this is something much likely. Some S&P 500 shorts. Right. So I can see here a couple of things that I like. First of all, I like this liquidity here built at the at the highs here. I don't know why this indicator doesn't work with this CFD. But here is where I would wanna incur in some shorts around this level. I'm going to just place it here. So here is where I want to go short on the S&P 500. Now, uh, maybe I'm mistaken about the bias of this market. I'm not placing any. I'm not placing any. Oh shit. I sent the free signal to the wrong groups. Hold on. Yeah. I agree. Silver's on trail for me moving forward. Just doesn't fit my risk tolerance because of the spread. Exactly. Fuck silver. The rectangles on your chart, is that indicator or you draw them? No, it's an indicator. It just show me the ranges, the session ranges. This indicator doesn't work with DCFD in particular. RevRef, long time. How is the gold looking? I'm long. I'm currently long. You can see that on the right side of your screen. I am long. I am. Where the fuck is my phone? Hold on, guys. Just checking something. All right, guys. So we are 10 minutes away from the open. I am. Bam, bam, bam. I am. Yeah. Let me go get a cup of coffee. I will be right back. Look at my dog over there. Bimba. What the? ¿Qué se viene usted? ¿Usted quiere hacer pipí, señora? Venga, pues. Venga. Venga pues, venga, venga. She also trades. Have a look at this. Buy. I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna fucking buy this. Yes. Sell. Buy. She was trying to. She was trying to look at the yen futures. So. I don't trade agriculturals. I don't trade natty gas. I don't trade. I trade platinum. Platinum and copper are the ones that I'm introducing to the VIPs. Please, can I have a coffee too? Listen, guys. I am an instant coffee kind of guy. You know, you're going to hate my coffee because I take it with 2 Splendas and a shit ton of creamer. So I'm not a coffee guy. Lucky dog, that's right. So I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, what's up? What's up? What's up? We are 3 minutes away from the open, and I'm back. I don't trade the UNZD, I don't trade the EURGBP, I don't trade any of that bullshit. I registered using your referral link, yeah. But you need to deposit and trade that account. If not, you're going to get kicked out of the groups because there's a ton of people that just abuse that promo. So if you open the account, now deposit the minimum, send your credentials and then withdraw the money and don't trade that account, you're going to get kicked out within a week and banned. Sometimes I do wonder how perfect trades are that whenever price get to your entry, it immediately takes off towards your direction. Can you please tell us how you're doing this? Oh, you want to know the fucking secret? Sure, mate. But let's trade the open. Let's trade the fucking open and I'll talk about that. Yeah. So here's the thing. Thing. Here's that liquidity I'm talking about, right? I trade liquidity. You know what? I'm gonna talk about this while I place this trade. S&P 500 on the 5-minute chart. I trade liquidity strips, right? There's a big ass imbalance here. I am going to go short right here. So basically, I trade liquidity sweeps made in the sense that, all right, so here we have a price making lower lows, liquidating, this lows and this lows, right? That is an intraday bearish bias for me. And then we have these double tops, right? This high pre-market or during the London session, I don't know, because this indicator doesn't work with DCFD. I don't know why. But in any case, this is liquidity, meaning that here, for example, we have, after this volatile move to the downside, we had this spike up, meaning that here we have weak traders trying to get in on that volatile move. And again here, this is, again, weak short traders. And liquidity means that here, we have stop losses, a shit ton of stop losses. And very possibly the open is going to be volatile to the upside and it's going to liquidate all of these traders and then the real move is going to happen. So I need to find my entry area. My entry area would be around here at the breaker at the 41.76, maybe a little bit lower with stop loss about the highs. So I'm going to place that trade. But you know what? If you want to learn everything that I do, keep an eye. Oh, the market just fucking opened. Yeah, just keep an eye for my trader development program. I'm gonna launch it in a month. It's going to be 8 weeks of my life, and you're going to learn everything that I do from how I look for liquidity sweeps, how I day trade, how I swing trade. You're going to learn. You're going to get the F1 strategy for free. You're going to get my my journaling process, my journal. You're going to get my. I'm going to teach you everything that I know. So if that is something that you are looking for, mate, more power to you. Just keep an eye on it, and remember that it's not going to be fucking cheap. For people that really want this. So quite a bearish open here, right? This Japanese yen trade, I'm going to keep that Japanese yen trade open until it makes me or breaks me. I mean, not one single trade is going to make me or break me. I'm talking about either hit stop losses or targets. It's looking very good. So let's have a look at equities. Very bearish open. Now that this has happened, let's have a look at the other side of the fucking market. Now, on the other hand, you know what, this market is looking bullish. So, the Nasdaq. I mostly trade the Nasdaq, you know, when it comes to U.S. equities. Now, here's that liquidity on the Nasdaq that I would want to trade. So let's have a look at the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. Yeah. Just below that liquidity is I'm going to place my entry. Yeah, I'm going to place some Nasdaq longs, guys. Gold just flying, leaving us behind, which is fine. We are already long. We are already long gold. This is my trade on, you know, the pound yen. I'm keeping it very much alive. Insert view. Where the freaks? Here. Now I'm looking at the Nasdaq long, and the X100 is the CFD I use to trade the Nasdaq. Now here we go. What I'm going to do, I don't remember when. I remember when I lost my mind. 13 to 14, what? 13 to 15. 13 to 15 is my entry. New order, pending order. Let's do 50 just to see how much. 13 to 15. And I am going to put my stop losses below the structure low, which is 13,201. 13,201. Buy limit. No. Right here. So this would mean that I would be risking too little. So I am going to go and hike this at about this. All right. So first targets are going to be here. Yeah, this is all just liquidity that I need price to trip. 13,295 would be my first target. 13,295 modify. Right, so my first target is very, very, very good. The other one, let's have a look at the hourly. I'm actually going to leave it open, and that's the trade. So I'm going to alert my VIPs about that. Well, this pound yen is still rocking. Gold, yes, I do. We're going to wait and see what happens with this gold, but I'm digging how it's turning around. You know what? This is just going to be for the stream, not for anybody else. This Nasdaq long is only going to be for the viewers right now. That's it. I have decided that, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. So let's wait for that one. Structure lows. I'm digging this one. So any more questions about anything, guys? I'm here, right? Hold on, I'll be right back. All right, look at that Nasdaq. If gold reaches 2,000, you're going to sell it. Well, you do whatever you want to do, man. I have paid for the VIP, but unable to access. Well, mate, you know what? Um, the invite link is on your, should be on your, I'm sorry, on your client's account. All right, so now I'm not going to put the Nasdaq on the VIP. I would normally just trade it myself, this one too, so you guys are just lucky. You know, I don't put all my trades on the VIP group. I'm not going to give you a 100% perfect copy of my trades on my account for 40 pounds a month. That's fucking crazy. Hong Kong in the house. What is your sleep schedule like, considering the time difference for the open markets where you live? Yeah, that's a great question. I wake up, I go to bed around 10, 11, wake up at 1:30 for the London Open, go back to bed around 3:30, wake up at, there you go. Oh, I am triggered. No, about to get triggered. Nasdaq long. I'm about to. No. Oh, there you go. Come on. Yeah. If I don't get triggered, I'm gonna be pissed. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. If I don't get triggered, I am going to be pissed because shit. I mean, what the hell? Mine didn't. Mine didn't. Oh, now I got triggered. Now I got triggered. I'm long the Nasdaq. Let's see if I am right. This could be very short-lived, guys. I just moved my stop losses, you know, below this low, just if you're following, right? That is 13.19. Just to be sure that I don't get fucked in some kind of crazy volatility. Yeah. All right, the pound yen. It's not looking very good. Yeah. But still, I am going to keep it. All right, the Nasdaq probably will stop me out if it don't. I mean, it took out this low. I don't like that. I don't like that. So that's why I moved my stop losses below this low, below the structure low. But yeah, it's within the range. So I'm still looking for a pullback here on the Nasdaq. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. Same thing. Nasdaq. Yeah, there you go. That's the pullback that I wanted to see. So that's the reason that I moved my stop losses below the other low, you know, the previous low, because it was very possible that we were going to see a liquidation of this low, and I didn't want to get stopped out on a crazy, stop hunt. So I'm triggered. A little bit of a drawdown. Wasn't a perfect entry in the sense that um, I should have seen this, but it's fine. I should have seen this. Let me show you. Should have seen this, this liquidity here, but there, whatever, and etc. But I'm happy with it. I'm still going to hold that. All right, so here we go. I'll possibly close my pound yen, short longs a break. It's not a break even at a small loss if I don't see something, clear on the horizon of the Japanese yen. Pretty happy with this. Pretty happy with this Nasdaq long though, looking very good. What's the entry on the Nasdaq? Listen, guys, you have to follow, you have to watch what I'm doing, right? I'm not here to give you signals. I'm here to show you what I'm doing. If you want to follow what I'm doing, you need to be sharp, mate. We're trading the U.S. Open. I'm not going to repeat myself, right? Are you sharp or are you not? Right, so I'm going to close this probably if we get here. I'm going to close this at a small loss if this low gets swept, or strip, right? I do have two entries, right? I added at some point, I think here. Yeah, I added here. And yeah, that was my trading. So gold rocking, Nasdaq rocking, and yeah, so Nasdaq starting to rock, right? Happy with every single. I'm very happy with every single trade that I'm running. And yeah, like I told you guys, you need to be sharp. We're trading the open. I'm not gonna repeat myself. I'm not gonna send this to my VAPs. This is super volatile. If you wanna learn what I do, and how to do it. Do you really think that I would have had, the chance to send this to my VAPs, and manage it like I did? No, I wouldn't have been able to. So pretty close to closing those pound yen shorts or longs at a break even, at a small loss. I'm sorry. There you go. Yeah. I've been live for 42 minutes. I have a ton of things to do. You're welcome for the free money, right? If you're long the Nasdaq, you're not going to get anything from me. As this particular trade goes, I'm going to keep my gold longs alive, though. My buy stops, my VAPs, and the free group is going to get updates on that, because I send that as a free signal too. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes for some questions. If you don't have any questions, then I'm going to log off. Right, I have a ton of things to do, and yeah. So here's my actual trade on that on this market. I'll probably take 1R here at the highs. Yeah, I'll probably take 1R here at the highs. We will see. Are you aiming for the structure highs in the Nasdaq? Yeah, most definitely will take 75% off here at the structure highs around this level, and let the rest of it ride, because no one knows, no one fucking knows if buyers are going to be strong enough to pull that through. So yeah, play the song. I don't have it with me anymore. Damn it. But this is, if you want to play it yourself, the band is called Cultura Profética, and the song is called Soldado. But What would be the price for your future courses? The Trader Development Program is 8 weeks of my life, 24/7 with me. I mean 24/5, right? It's going to be very cool. It's going to cost 4,000 pounds. 4,000 pounds, but you're going to get everything from the F1 strategy to everything that I know, I do, and the goal is to make you a money printing machine. Um, hey, I have been left from the VIP group. Access will end at. Please add me to. I can't do that. You need to email support. There's a reason I have a support team. I don't do this, mate. Email support. I'm sorry that this happened to you, but they will sort you out. All right. If you don't have any more questions, I am going to. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Very good, Nasdaq long. I am digging it. Not the best entry though, but yes, I'm digging it. I'm going to manage it very strongly. Also, looking at the 1 minute chart, right? My entry was around here. Yeah. If it comes back to my entry, possibly will be looking to take it out. I don't know. I have yet to decide what to do with this. So yeah, if you don't have any more questions, guys, I'm going. Yeah, but I mean, this is we get a shit ton of emails every day, mate. And if you're not patient, if you're not patient, you're not going to make it in this market. Are you going to do it once, or you will do it again in case it doesn't fit with my schedule? I don't think I'm going to do it twice this year. So about to close those at a loss, those GBP, at a very small loss though. Um, hmm. At a small loss. Yeah, but I mean, I'm going to be live, on a Zoom call every day whilst I'm trading on the Trader Development Program. Everybody will have access. You will have, access to the recordings of my training sessions, all the data. I mean, if you can't be there, and there's access to the chat, the chat with me where you can actually ask me questions. That's a nice move on the Nasdaq about anything. So I mean, it doesn't matter if you can't, if it doesn't fit your signals. If you don't, if it doesn't fit 100% your schedule. Um, Listen, guys, you need to be fucking, patient. I'm not gonna do any favors here about support. I don't know what the, no talk on gold, mate. What are the levels for the Nasdaq 100? You should have paid attention. I'm not gonna repeat myself. Are we going to get any more signals on the VIP? I don't know, mate. I mean, are you a rookie that wants to be, buying and selling every single second of the day, or do you want to make money, right? If what you want to do is make money, then you need to be patient and only trade the most optimal setups ever, right? So if I only send one signal, well, that's the only trade I'm taking. So, right. All right, SCM. Oh shit, I forgot to close my pound yen. Now, I'm gonna let it ride actually. That's fine. I'm gonna let it ride. Yeah, my risk is not that big. So I am here. I am going to close 75% of my Nasdaq long. Closed 75% of my Nasdaq long was at the high, and moving my stop losses to break even on the rest. Nice trade. Thank you, Nasdaq. At least this Nasdaq, long is going to cover for my pound yen loss that I'm going to have, and more, right? Hopefully, I do not get stopped out on my pound yen, but right now it's very, very likely that I will get stopped out on my pound yen. Gold also made for a nice profit today, but we'll see. Uh-huh. How many signals are you sending for Forex each day? That's a fucking dumb question. No, whatever I trade, I send. That's a stupid question. I agree 100%. Signals don't fall from the tree. Exactly. Orlando, do you backtest your strategy every time you change something about it? Or yes, yes. Um, uh, 80% of the time I'm on my screens, I am on the lab. Yeah, and if I don't trade a market, it's because I backtested it and I don't like the data. Mate, that's it. All right, very nice trade on the Nasdaq. I am waiting for that push up. But I'm very happy with what I got out of it. Let's see if I got something good. Yeah, I got something good out of it. Um, all right, so thank you for joining me, guys. I will be back tomorrow with more live trading and with more jokes and good music from me. All right, so yeah, on the pound yen side, well, you know what? In hindsight, I should have closed uh, half of my position at the highs, but again, I was asleep. It was during my sleep time, so I couldn't do it. Now it's make it or break it for me. I think I'm going to lose about 0.4% on that trade, which is fine. I'm up more than 1% today. Only my closed positions, if I add this gold long, is even more, so I'm okay with that loss. And the Nasdaq also. So cheers, guys, and just trade safe. Thank you, Ron. And will the news affect to the trade? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, who knows? I'm already out. My stops over break even. I can only make money now. So cheers.